wala akong negative thoughts or energy. Kahit sabihin pa ng ibang tao na, ito ka, wala. Ako palang solve na. Because I believe that this is who I am. I believe that this is what I do. And this is what's gonna happen. If you believe kasi, it will manifest eh. It's the first start eh. Kung una pa lang, hindi ka na naniwala, don't expect na may mangyayari sa'yo. Kaya gusto ko, ikaw na nanonood ngayon, maniwala ka sa sarili mo at i-expect mo na sobrang ganda ng future mo dito. Sabihin man namin o hindi. Kaya nga, hindi ako nag-aantay ng mantra sa ibang tao. Kasi ako pa lang, solve na ako sa sarili ko palang perspective of who I am. I know I'm gonna be great. I know I can do this. Ikaw kaya mo rin to. Ikaw kaya mo rin. But you expect and you believe that someday you're gonna get it. Naniniwala ka ba? Comment mo kung naniniwala ka dahil magkakatotoo talaga yan. Lahat ng paniniwala ng isang tao, that is manifesting and that is becoming the reality of your life. May it be tomorrow, the next days, next months, or next years. That will manifest.